Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gift Tech Solutions. In this video, we're going to break down one of the most important parts of your computer, the CPU, also known as the Central Processing Unit. Whether you're a student, tech enthusiast, or just curious, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what a CPU really does. Let's dive in. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer, and for a good reason. It's the part of your device that carries out all the instructions from software and hardware. When you open a file, play a game, or even type a letter, the CPU is behind the scenes doing all the hard work. It's located on the motherboard and connects to memory, RAM, storage, and other components. The CPU operates in a cycle known as the fetch, decode, execute cycle. First, it fetches an instruction from memory. Then it decodes what that instruction is asking. Finally, it executes the command, whether it's calculating a number or moving data. This process happens millions, even billions, of times per second. A CPU is made of different parts working together. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit, it does all the math and logic operations. Control Unit, this tells the rest of the computer what to do, directing data and instructions. Registers, these are tiny, super-fast memory areas that hold data the CPU is currently working on. All these components work at lightning speed to handle your tasks. Think of a computer like an office. The CPU is the manager, it gives orders, makes decisions, and keeps things moving. The RAM is the notepad, temporary space to write things down. The hard drive is the filing cabinet, long-term storage. If the manager is slow or overloaded, everything slows down. But a fast CPU means a super efficient office. So now you know, the CPU is the powerhouse that processes all tasks on your computer. It works closely with memory and storage to keep everything running smoothly. Remember, CPU equals brain. Handles instructions. Faster CPU equals better performance. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one.